Welcome back, and joining us on the show now is Surendra Mehta. He's Secretary, India Bullion and Jewelers Association. Mr. Mehta, hi, thank you so much for joining in. And this is about IBJA putting out a self-regulation when it comes to the digital gold companies there. We do understand after SEBI's warning, a lot of these companies had also approached the regulator to, in some sense, start regulating. But that clearly seems to be a bit delayed, the work being done on that or not. But IBJA taking this step, how does it augur well for many of these companies?
We have, when the SEBI issued the caution, we requested SEBI to regulate these digital gold companies. See, most of these digital gold companies are very top companies, very big companies, and with a huge net worth available in their balance sheet, and they have nothing to hide. So we requested SEBI to regulate them. But definitely, I think SEBI will not like to regulate it. So in the meantime, all these top companies have approached IBJA, and we have voluntarily decided that we will set the rules for the digital companies. Whosoever want to join us, digital companies, whosoever want to join us, they can join us. We will set the entire framework for the digital gold companies regarding purity standards, vaulting, how the payment is to be collected, how taxes are to be paid, how auditing is to be done, whether auditing is required with the industry experienced auditor or not. So there are so many things to it. So we have decided that we will take this further. And initially, we will be calling the consultation meeting for all the digital gold players. But we would be strictly following the rules as decided in the digital gold consultation meeting.
Mr. Mehta, how many companies are there? I'm assuming there are very few service providers and then everybody else partners with them. So how many companies are we looking at in sense of service providers, and what is your sense on what is the number or quantum of these companies meeting the end consumer there?
You rightly said there are many intermediaries who are actually collecting digital gold money on behalf of the primary companies. So according to us, this primary companies number will not exceed even 12 or 13. But we will be regulating not only primary gold, digital gold companies, but also these intermediaries. And many of these intermediaries have also approached us, because we want to ensure that this intermediary, whatever payment they collect, it goes to the primary digital gold companies.
Mr. Mehta, also, what is the quantum of the overall market right now? We do understand that the base is low, but the growth has been quite higher. And in the last couple of months, since the SEBI warning, we've seen the number kind of decline. What is it that we're looking at in sense of overall market share for this one?
Well, honestly, the actual numbers are not available, and we are trying to find out what is the actual number now. But honestly, there are many proprietorship and partnership firms also doing the digital gold business, and we do not encourage such practice, and we would definitely keep them out of our regulatory framework. In my opinion, if I take out this partnership and proprietorship firms, and only look at the top companies, I think that the overall market size does not exceed 20 tons.
20 tons.
Yes.
Since you are with us, Mr. Mehta, what is also your sense on the kind of gold imports that we've seen in this year, and your sense on prices also?
Well, gold imports, that is really, the numbers are really shocking at the prices at which the gold import is being done. And in my opinion, there is a lot of stocking happening by the jewelers themselves, on the presumption that there would be a very good wedding season and festival season ahead. But in my opinion, I think the government needs to do something, because if the bank's working capital are being used for stocking of the gold, it doesn't, and if the USD INR goes above 90, then it is really a cause of concern.
Okay, all right, Mr. Mehta and Manisha, thank you so much for joining in today and taking us through this conversation. So important to track what happens with gold demand, pricing, and various ways of investing into gold as well. With that, we'll slip into a short break. When we come back, we'll connect with Mahendra Kumar Jaju of Mirae Asset Investment Managers. The rupee has breached that $90 per dollar mark. So what happens next? We'll discuss with him.